how to send voice message on Discord PC. So if you want to send the voice message on Discord PC, then first you need to open up your Discord application, or you can also go with your browser and open up your Discord on your browser. Once you're here on the Discord, now if you go for any one of your chats or direct messages, here you will have the message bar, right? So under the message bar, if you go for the plus here, you won't have an option of uploading a voice message or voice record option. But in the mobile device, you will have that option. But on PC or laptop, you won't have that option. So if you want to get that option, then what you need to do is you just need to simply search for recorder. You will have sound recorder or voice recorder on your Windows. Simply click on the sound recorder and record a voice or start recording your files. And once you've recorded, it will be saved to your desktop or your downloads or wherever you save that file, right? So once you've recorded and saved that file, you just need to go back, and here you need to click on this plus option, and then you need to go for upload a file saved. And once you click on the file, you can send your voice message as a file. But instead of that, you don't have an option of voice record option. So that's how you can send. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.